South Africa is calling. The heart of the continent beats with the rhythm of the wild, inviting you to step into a world where nature reigns supreme and adventure is around every corner. A land of adventure and amazing animals awaits. Here, herds of elephants, graceful zebras, and countless other creatures roam free across vast untamed landscapes, creating scenes straight out of a dream. Get ready for an unforgettable safari experience where every moment brings a new surprise and the thrill of discovery is always in the air. Imagine yourself cruising through the bush in an open jeep, the wind in your hair and the scent of wild grasses all around you as you search for the next incredible sight. The sun is warm on your skin and the air is filled with the sounds of nature. Birds calling, insects buzzing, and distant animal calls. This is Africa, raw and beautiful. South Africa is famous for its incredible wildlife. From majestic lions to towering giraffes, every encounter is a reminder of the continent's rich natural heritage. And there's honestly no better time to see it than during the dry season, when animals gather at watering holes and the bush comes alive with activity. From May to September, the landscape transforms. Water becomes scarce, drawing wildlife out into the open, making it the best time for close encounters and breathtaking sightings. So join us as we discover why this is the perfect time for a safari adventure. Let's explore the wild side of South Africa together and create memories that will last a lifetime. Winter in South Africa is different. It's a time when the landscape transforms in ways that might surprise you. It's the dry season, but don't think for a second that means it's dull. The bushveld changes dramatically, shifting from vibrant greens to a palette of golds, browns, and soft yellows. Gone are the lush greens of summer, replaced by a more subtle beauty that reveals the true character of the land. Now golden grasses sway in the breeze, painting the savanna with warm, earthy tones that shimmer under the winter sun. Trees and bushes shed their leaves, creating a sense of wide open spaces and making the landscape feel even more expansive. This change is crucial for wildlife viewing. With less cover, animals are no longer hidden, and the drama of survival becomes easier to witness. With less foliage, animals are just easier to spot as they move through the bush, often gathering in larger groups near water sources. The dry season is nature's way of setting the stage for an incredible wildlife show where every day brings new stories and unforgettable sights. The scarcity of water during the dry season brings animals together. Water holes and rivers become oases in the dry landscape. And where there's water, there's life. Elephants trumpet with joy as they splash in the mud. Giraffes gracefully stretch their necks for a long drink. This is your chance to witness the incredible diversity of African animals in one place. Zebras, wildebeest, and antelopes all congregate to quench their thirst, creating a scene of remarkable beauty and activity. The dry season is when predators rule. Lions, with their golden coats blending seamlessly with the dry grass, are masters of the hunt. Stealthy leopards lie in wait, their spotted fur camouflaged amongst the branches. Cheetahs, the fastest land animals on earth, sprint across the open plains in pursuit of their prey. Seeing these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is a truly humbling experience. Their power, grace, and instincts are awe-inspiring, reminding us of the raw beauty of the wild. A safari in South Africa during the dry season is more than just a holiday. It's an extraordinary journey into the heart of the wild. Here, every sunrise brings new possibilities and every moment is filled with anticipation. It's a chance to connect with nature on a deeper, more meaningful level, to feel the pulse of the land and the rhythm of its creatures. You'll witness the delicate balance of life in the bush, where predator and prey share the same waterholes and every animal plays a vital role in the ecosystem. As the sun sets over the vast savanna, you'll come to appreciate the importance of preserving these wild spaces, not just for yourself, but for generations yet to come. When night falls and the sounds of the African wilderness fill the air, remember that you are a guest in this incredible ecosystem, privileged to witness its wonders. Respect the animals, tread lightly on the land, and cherish every moment of your safari adventure. Each footprint you leave should be gentle, leaving nature undisturbed. South Africa's wild beauty will stay with you long after you've returned home, inspiring you to protect and celebrate the natural world wherever you go.